Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we are going to be taking a look at something very peculiar. Now, what I have in my hands is my lovely, 1520 that you guys all know. It was running 8.0, but then I updated it, like I reflashed back to 8.1, and then I updated it to Windows Phone 9. And I think probably thinking, Windows Phone 9, that doesn't exist. It went from 8.1 to 10 mobile. So what do I have here? It is technically actually Windows 10 technical preview for phones build 9928, and we dubbed this community dub Windows Phone 9 because of the way it looks. And when you open it up, you're like, oh, this just looks like 8.1. Well, why is the phone so big and all that stuff? The photos looks like actually I don't know if the photos looks different, but yeah, why is the phone so big? Well, it's because there are a few differences in this build. Like, these are closer to the wall. For example, opening up the keyboard, you got this knob over here that can move between the text. You got voice recognition. Hello. No internet connection? Well, I do have it, but I guess I relied on a server. But yeah, you're probably thinking, what is all this? Why is it slightly different but still slightly same as 8.1? And why do we call it Windows Phone 9? What's so exciting about this that I need to be able to install it? Well, there is a special design choice that you can have here that makes it look like a middle forgotten child between 8.1 and 10 mobile, which is the start screen customization. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up settings by pulling down on the control center, action center. And you can see, wow, there's more different things. Like notification center looks slightly different. And what's this, collapse and expand? Man, this is a 10 mobile feature, but wow, more 8.1 toggles. And I mean, this kind of looks cool, but yeah, let's go ahead and open up the settings. And yeah, you got the, what looks like 10M settings. It's very similar. To be honest, I prefer the 8.1 GDR2 settings the most. But I mean, you get what you get when you install something like this. Let's go to personalization. Animation's kind of ugly, but what can you do? It's a beta. And then go to background. And again, this white thing, which isn't that nice, but what to do? You can add show more tiles, which we gotta try that out. But yeah, let's go to browse. And let's go ahead and apparently have nothing. Well, so you can see we got a file explorer now. So let's go to phone, and phone ain't got nothing on that. Fine, whatever. Let's go to camera. I guess we don't have any stock images, but hello camera. So we got this lovely thing. Actually, you know what? Let's get a proper photo. Oh yeah, ooh. You can 10 mobile. You can have this go sideways. I don't know about 8.1, but yeah. Let me get my 930 so we can get a proper photo on here. All right, so here I have my 930, and I'm gonna go ahead, press and hold, and press share picture, tap to share NFC, and now open up the Windows Phone 9 device, and hopefully this still works. There you go. So slowly but surely, I think maybe the phone case is interfering, but yeah, 100% received, 100% sent. Kind of waiting to see. Are we good now? Do I have the image? Oop, done. Tap to view. Yep. Thank you very much. My 930. Very nice. Ooh, and it took us to the new Photos app. No spoilers. Come on, go back to settings and browse. Now when we click browse, settings will crash. Awesome. Well, it's a beta, so expect glitches and whatever, but not this. We will try Microsoft accounts because it works on Windows 10 mobile, but not 8.1. So what about phone 9? So yeah, go over here. He's gonna cry about not seeing the location. Let me guess, pressing phone doesn't bring anything up either. That's fine, probably just a bug. So choose location. What about File Explorer? So here's our new File Explorer, another spoiler. But go into pictures, camera roll, and have nothing. Cool. Okay, fine, we'll take a look at the Photos app. Let's open it and see. Checking this device for new photos, and here you go. We got the stupid hamburger menu stuff, but yeah, the albums are coming soon, the folders are coming soon, and that's it. So what happened to the photo? I just gave you a photo, man. Where is it? Did you not save it? What is wrong with you? Don't worry, I have it here on my 930 still. Come on, accept. Let's do it. Sharing, 100% received. Thank you. Tap to view. Nice. Let's see, this share button now will hopefully give us an option, or not. Okay, file info. It is here in this location, which I don't know about. It's temporarily saved. Cool. And it's gone. Okay. Well, this does have Internet Explorer. We can probably just go get that same image. We'll just use the recommended settings for now. Oh my days, you know, we're just trying to show custom backgrounds. It doesn't even matter, man. Just come on, give me this. Browse and then other location. Just use camera. I don't even care at this point. I'm just trying to demonstrate the Windows Phone 9 thing. So here you go. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice and crunchy. Can you at least focus? Oh wait, you can, okay. Still gonna look bad though, but accept. Boom. We now must have a background. Here we go. This is the Windows Phone 9. Look how nice that is. We have a background that actually moves when we move. But yeah, we have a background on this. Ain't that cool? But with the 8.1 tile spacing and stuff, it's pretty, it's nice. And now I opened up something. What is this? Mixed radio? Hi. You're not gonna find anything, get out. But boom, we got it, and this is nice. Cortana doesn't exist, I just noticed. Cool, let's check out other stuff. What is this giant phone app? Well, apparently this is the new phone app that they made. So I have a sim in here, but it's deactivated. So here you go, history and speed dial again with these stupid top menu things. That's what I don't like about 10 Mobile. Yet we still have this here for some reason. Some stuff down here, but it's fine. I think we do have two phone apps though, so going to, yeah, we got phone, so small phone and big phone. What is small phone? The same thing. What is big phone? This is the 8.1 big phone. Like, so maybe this is small phone there, but big phone here. What about big phone here? Will that be small phone there? Huh? Also, the new menus. Yeah, this is small phone here. Also, this actually specifies your carrier. That looks like it's too early to do that. What else do we got here? I think these are just 8.1 stuff. Now back to the settings, see what else we can customize. So we can only remove background or add a new one. We don't get the same 8.1 window view thing. Let's try enable show more tiles. Does nothing at all. Okay, interesting. I think because we already have this on the 1520, because I don't think 1520 was supposed to run this. I don't think it was officially made. So what about sounds? Ringtone apparently is nothing for some reason, but we can do... Ah, yes, my favorite ringtone. Stop interrupting me. System settings _ sounds 11102. That's a good ringtone, man. I love that ringtone. Let's get out of here. And let's see what's in store for us in the lock screen. Photo. Fine, do you have any stock photos? Oh, you have one thing. Oh, that's the thing we probably just took. Yeah, it is. Okay. Show artist when playing music. That never works for me. Detailed status. And then, yes, I love my quick status. So we have phone, and then we have, and then nothing else. So what is this blank thing? You're not gonna tell me. What about advanced settings? Aha, so password and timeout. Let's turn on a cool password. So we're gonna go 1111, 1111, go done. Give me that password. And let's lock the phone and turn it back on. Oh, there's a chin down here now. This is slightly smaller. Okay, go back here. Let's see what else we got. Do we have the lovely Bing? Okay, cool. So we do have options. This is like kind of like a 10 Mobile thing. Bing won't load though because it's not connected to Wi-Fi yet. Let's go to the, we were just at the lock screen. The theme, what are themes? Ah, the color. So you can change the color. So you have your nice color thing, obviously. Then you got the tinted windows now. You can still see through them, not windows, tiles. But yeah, you can still see through those and stuff. I wonder if you can customize this because why are there so many missing stuff? So get out of that. let's see what we got over here. So system, so you got display, notifications, and actions. This is what we're looking for. Okay, so it still thinks we only got 5 things over there. This must be all settings. Yeah, so we got all this stuff. I wonder what happens when you change one of these. Oh, I know why so many stuff here is like doing that, because again, 1520 wasn't supposed to run this and we got 5 things. So what happens if we change it to, let's say, Bluetooth? Well, now that says Bluetooth, and then the all settings was switched. So if we change it to all settings, did it switch back? It did. Okay, so I don't think we have any other choice. When we collapse, these are our 5 options, but when we expand, that's basically what we get. So I can't show you right now because I don't have multiple notifications, but you're supposed to be able to also swipe notifications individually, because on 8.1 you have many notifications for an app. You swipe and it pulls all of the stuff away. Pulls all of the stuff away and it's all gone. So what else do we got? A bunch of stuff here. Cortana and search. Nothing. What else? USB. Cool. And device encryption. I don't enjoy this. Oh, that just takes you to password. So I thought it was BitLocker settings for a moment. Take me back to the settings. Come on, man. Unless it crashed and took me to the previous page. That is also possible. Network and options, you get all of this stuff that's still standard. And accounts. Let's go to sync settings. And we're going to sign in with a Microsoft account. But first, let me connect to Wi-Fi. Now that we're connected to Wi-Fi, you can see up there. Let's keep our life in sync by signing in. And no, we do not have anything. Goodbye. Oh, it's a strangely different error. But what about emails and accounts? We can't do this. Nope, same thing. But hey, at least we can add our email, like a regular email account. Now what else do we got? Date and time, region, all that jazz. Ease of access, a bunch of stuff over here. And privacy, a bunch of stuff. Windows Update though, we got these 2, but I think when we go here, yes, the 8.1 version. And then extras, we got all this stuff, but in an ugly type of listing. So what about glance screen? Okay, apparently glance screen doesn't want to do anything, but Radus does. Okay, so some of these work. So I can't open glance screen features. It doesn't want me to do that. That is sad, because then I can't access that. Obviously this isn't perfect, but you can see it is kind of cool. Like, this whole design is the kind of the reason why this whole thing was done. And thanks to ACPI Fix Feature button for actually finding out how to do this. Cool stuff. There's a lot of bugs though, like for example on 8.1, you know, sometimes those apps won't crash and stuff, and it's just like 8.1 is stable, 10M is 10M is 10M. I don't know what to say, honestly. It's kind of buggy too, but cool stuff. And if there's a way to jailbreak Windows Phone 9, which there might possibly be, I'll save that for the next video when we jailbreak and install apps on it and see how well it can be used compared to 8.1. One more thing we also forgot to mention was taking a deeper look at the new File Explorer, which we will now open up. And we got recent, and then this device. That animation is kind of neat, to be honest. This device, we got all of this stuff. We got obviously nothing in these places, but we got options like select new folder, thumbnail view instead, list view, search, refresh, select all properties, which is nice. I think this is a pretty neat File Explorer. Some tiny changes could be made, and then this could actually be a pretty nice option. Like, it's pretty good. Even the animations are okay. I do have one file, and that's here in my saved pictures, because I transferred the original technical preview backgrounds to this, so that instead of having this random thing, let's go back to settings and pressing on browse, pressing on this, and we should get it. And let's actually go to the theme to change the color back to whatever it was. I think this was it, so that we get the Original looking 10 technical preview. Even the live tile for photos works. That's neat. Wait a minute. There's something else that's more exciting in this build as well. Just wait, you see. But look, it's kind of like the original image that they had back when this was first released, the like 9941. But one more thing, just watch this. Wow, that did nothing exciting. Watch this. Boom. I guess it's not for all laps. Giant tiles. These are the 2x2 tiles and the tall tiles that we were talking about in that kind of crazy like Windows Phone iceberg video. But that is cool, man. Like, look at that. I wonder what else supports this giant thing. Apparently not that. Not this either. What about you, brand new phone app? Nope. What else would support this? Because I honestly don't know what else would do that. Giant people though, and it's apparently looks like the 8.1 people app, so I don't know why this would be different. Please have Xbox Music have a giant tile. Oh my god, the album art would look amazing. No giant tile. That is sad. But yeah, giant tile, long tile, all the tiles, man. You got all of the options. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to find another one without boring you guys out. So that's a nice thing to talk about. But yeah, File Explorer and that, I'm pretty sure that's it for this build though. So yep, that's what we got. If you wanna install Windows Phone 9 for yourself, then I highly suggest that you guys look in the description for the written guide by ACP iFix feature button. But just note that me, him, or anybody else is not responsible for what happens to your device. So without further ado, here is a time lapse of me installing it on my 1520. And now, hopefully, we can get this to update fine. So time lapse, here we go. Here we are, guys. So that's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for exploring Windows Phone 9 with me, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Ooh, never mind, we're back. I'm afraid I'm not available in your region. Well, this is the new search with the new Cortana where it's all white and flashing your eyes. So let's see if we can search up something. Not wreck. So it does actually open up in Bing, and that is me. Will that work? So it opens up in Internet Explorer then. This is probably not gonna load though. I doubt it. Give it some time. Yeah, that is positively stuck. But that's cool because I pressed it thinking it'll open the other thing. And what else do we have? Oh, it just takes us to the Bing webpage. So kind of ugly, but it's there. We got search and we got settings. What the settings? Ooh, Cortana, so it's not available in my market. And we got Cortana things, and oh, these are options. Ew, why are they like that? I guess beta stuff. But yeah, now properly, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.